Hello children, I hope you all are fine. Today we are doing the revision of poem Hug of War. We have understood the meanings of new words in last video. We will do revision of it. Tug. Tug means a hard pull. Giggle. Giggle means a nervous or silly laugh. Rug. Rug means a blanket. Grin. Grin means to smile broadly. Cuddle. Cuddle means to hug lovingly. Instead. Instead means in place of. Children, our poem Hug of War is about love and happiness. This poem is written by Shel Silverstein. He is the poet of this poem. Children, look at this picture. We can see here children are playing a game, and this game is called Tug of War. Now you all know how to play it. In this game there is a rope and there are two teams, and you have to pull the rope towards your side. You have to pull the other team towards your side, and whichever team is able to do that, that is the winner. In this game there is a winning team and there is a losing team. So those who win this game, they are very happy, and losers feel very sad. Now in this poem, the poet is trying to explain that I would like to play such a game in which there are no losers. There is no losing team. Everybody is a winner. See the poem. I will not play at tug of war. I would rather play at hug of war. So the poet is saying here, I don't want to play tug of war where we are having two teams opposite each other. Poet is saying, I want to play such a game in which we hug each other, where everyone hugs instead of tugs, where everyone giggles and rolls on the rug. Now here he is saying, I want to play such a game in which everybody hugs instead of tugs. So instead of pulling and pushing, I would like to play such a game in which we have to hug each other, in which we are very friendly. We are playing together. We are happy. Where everyone giggles and rolls on the rug. Rolls on the rug means sometimes you feel so happy. You laugh so much that you fall on the ground, you start rolling. Roll on the rug means on the blanket or carpet. I want to play such a game in which we enjoy so much that we keep on laughing, where everyone kisses and everyone grins. Poet is saying here, I want to play such a game where everyone kisses and everyone grins. Grins means to smile broadly, where everybody is happy. There is no loser, all are winner. So when you are winning, we feel very happy. And everyone cuddles and everyone wins. Cuddles means to hug lovingly. So poet is telling, I want to play such a game where everybody cuddles each other and everybody very happy. Children, now we will see a video of brother and sister. You will enjoy it because you all do the same things at home. Let us enjoy a video.
Hug of War, written by Shel Silverstein, illustrated by Angel Thornton.
I'm bored.
Give it to me. You are the worst brother ever. Give it to me. No, I'm telling Mom. Hey, wait a minute. I will not play it tug of war. I'd rather play it hug of war, where everyone hugs instead of tugs, where everyone giggles and rolls on the rug, where everyone kisses and everyone grins, and everyone cuddles and everyone wins.
So children, all of us also should try to follow him. We should also play games where everybody is happy and everybody is a winner. Even if you play a game with your brother and sister, and if there is other person who loses, you should not feel bad about it, because it is just a game. Just play and enjoy it. When we play a game, we should follow the rules of game and do not tease other. In this poem, we understood the importance of loving others and allowing everyone to feel important. I hope you all understood the poem. Now we will do revision of question and answers. Question number 1 is, what is a tug of war? Answer is, a competition in which two teams pull at opposite ends of a rope. Second number question is, what is a hug of war? Answer is, hug of war is a game of hugging each other. Question number 3 is, why do you think the poet likes a hugging game? Answer is, the poet likes a hugging game because where everyone hugs instead of tug. Question number 4 is there a place where you want to hug everyone? Children, here you can write your own answer, or you can write, yes, at my home I want to hug everyone. Thank you children. Take care.